Hello. Welcome back to Miss Juliet English Channel.
Hi, everyone. We're really glad you're here with us. I'm Romeo.
And I'm Juliet. On this channel, we help you practice real English for your daily life. Today, we're talking about how to describe your daily routine in English. This topic is so useful for talking with friends or writing about your life.
Please kindly remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun English lessons. It helps us a lot.
Let's jump right in. So, Romeo, how are you feeling today?
I'm a bit sleepy, to be honest.
Sleepy? Uh-oh. Why are you tired today?
Well, this weekend I woke up super early both days. My pillow is very upset with me.
Oh no. Why would you wake up so early on a weekend? That's illegal in my book.
On Saturday, my cat decided 5 a.m. was perfect for playing with my toes. And on Sunday, I cleaned up my room. It was a busy weekend for me.
Wow, you were productive. My weekend was very lazy. I watched a movie and went out for ice cream with a friend.
That sounds much better. Maybe next weekend I need to take some lessons from you in relaxing.
Happy to teach you, Professor Romeo. But today, let's talk about our normal daily routine, the things we do from morning to evening.
Great idea. Should we start with the morning?
Yes, let's do that. Romeo, what time do you usually wake up?
Usually I wake up at 6:30, but the battle is to get out of bed. What about you?
Sheepishly, I set my alarm for 7, but sometimes I stay in bed for 10 minutes and just check messages. Bad habit, right?
It's a shared habit. I also grab my phone first thing. But after that, what do you do?
After some phone scrolling, I get out of bed and straight away open my curtains. Let there be light.
Nice. I make my bed first. That way, I feel like a responsible adult, at least for 5 minutes.
Organized. Next, I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth.
Same here. Brush my teeth, then wash my face with freezing cold water. Wake up, brain.
Cold water? You're brave. I prefer warm water on my face. After that, I like to stretch a bit before my shower.
Just run for the shower. Hot water only, thank you. After my shower, I get dressed. What about clothes for work?
Casual chuckle. I don't have a uniform, so I pick something comfortable. Usually jeans and a nice shirt. Sometimes I'm wild and wear socks that don't match.
Fashion alert. I wear jeans too, but maybe with a sweater since I like to be cozy in class.
That makes sense, Teacher Romeo. After getting dressed, I need breakfast or my stomach will protest loudly.
What's your usual breakfast, Juliet?
Mostly toast with butter and a big cup of coffee. Quick and simple, so I don't burn anything.
Just toast? That's it?
Sometimes I eat eggs or cereal, but usually just toast. It's my routine.
I do love breakfast. I go for yogurt and fruit or scrambled eggs, and I must have tea. Coffee and I aren't friends.
Good, more coffee left for me. After breakfast, I watch my plate because I hate facing a sink full of dirty dishes later.
Me too. I always wash my breakfast things. Then I leave for work. How do you get to the shop?
I take the bus. It's just 2 minutes walk from my house, so it's easy.
Lucky! The bus takes how long?
About 20 minutes. I listen to music and try not to fall asleep again.
I walk to school. It's only 10 minutes, so it's good exercise.
Very nice. What time do you start work?
I start at 9. What about you?
Laughing together.
Same here. What's the first thing you do at the shop?
First, I turn on the lights and the computer, and I make sure the shop looks nice. Then I wait for customers.
Are there many in the morning?
Not really. It's usually quiet. I sometimes read a book or organize shelves.
That's peaceful. My school mornings are busier. I go to my classroom, put my bag down, and check my emails. Always too many emails.
Emails, the enemy. What do you do next?
I get my lessons ready and write on the board. I teach 3 classes before lunch with a short break at 11:30.
3 classes? Busy bee. What do you do in your break?
I go to the teacher's room, drink tea, and chat with my colleagues.
Colleagues is a useful word. It means people you work with, not just friends.
Right. We talk about school or weekend plans. It's nice.
In the shop, I have just 2 colleagues. They're great. Sometimes we have lunch together.
When do you have lunch?
At 1 o'clock, after my morning classes.
Me too. I usually bring a homemade sandwich or rice with vegetables. Cheap and easy.
Same. Sometimes I eat in the school cafeteria. Not fancy, but okay. After lunch, are you sleepy?
Yes, sometimes my eyes close by mistake in class. I have 2 more lessons in the afternoon.
I get busy in the afternoon. The shop fills up fast after school. No time to be sleepy.
Sounds lively. What time do you finish?
I finish at 6, close the shop, clean quick, and lock up.
I finish at 5, so not much difference. And it's finally evening, the best part. What's your evening routine?
I go home, change into comfy clothes as fast as possible, and say hello to my couch.
Me too. Soft pants, big t-shirt, and my day is better. Then I think about dinner. Do you cook?
Sometimes I usually make pasta or chicken with rice if I feel super motivated. If I'm too tired, I just order food.
I cook most nights, but simple meals. Soup, eggs, or veggies. I eat at 8 o'clock. What about you?
Usually by 7:30. After dinner, I clean up. Can't relax with a messy kitchen.
Absolutely. I wash my dishes too, must have everything clean. After that, relax time. What do you do for fun?
Depends. I watch a series or play games online with friends.
Video games, huh? I prefer reading a good book or calling my family on video chat.
Everyone needs to relax in their own way. Do you ever exercise in the evening?
Sometimes I go for a walk after dinner, but not always. I wish I had your energy for the gym.
I only go to the gym twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday. Makes a difference.
Good job. I have my book club on Wednesdays, and Fridays are coffee with friends.
Agreeing. Routine can be fun. Now, bedtime. What's your routine before sleeping?
Simple. First, brush my teeth, then wash my face, then set my alarm.
Do you read in bed or look at your phone?
I watch short videos, but I know that's not great for sleep.
Try reading instead. I read for 20 minutes. It helps me relax.
Maybe I'll try that. What time do you sleep?
Generally, by 11. I need my beauty sleep. 8 hours.
I admit I sleep at midnight. I get 7 hours, but maybe I need more.
Give it a try. The daily routine starts again tomorrow, so it's important to stay rested.
So true. Of course, every day is a little bit different. On your gym nights or book club nights, things change.
Exactly. And the weekend has its own routine. Sleep late, big breakfast, no work.
Weekends are the best, but a daily routine helps me feel organized and happy.
I agree. Routines keep us on track.
Hey, Juliet, we used a lot of good words today. Should we talk about those quickly?
Sure. Words like usually, after that, colleagues, relax, get dressed, take, and finish. Very useful for daily routine.
Let's go over them fast. Usually means something you do most days. Not always, but often. For example, I usually drink tea in the morning.
After that connects one action to the next. I wake up. After that, I brush my teeth.
Colleagues are the people you work with, not family, not outside friends.
Relax is what you do when you need rest. I relax by playing games or reading.
Get dressed means putting on your clothes. The opposite is get changed, when you put on new clothes at home.
Take is used for activities like take a shower, take the bus, or take a break.
And finish means something comes to an end. I finished my work at 5 o'clock.
So practice these words. They help you talk about your day.
Okay, let's do a quick recap. We learned how to describe your day from wake up to bedtime using useful words and simple English.
Remember, it's just about telling your story step by step. Practice talking about your routine every day.
Now it's time for the question of the day.
Let's do it. Today's question is, what is your favorite part of the day and why?
For me, it's the evening because I can relax and do what I want.
I like mornings on weekends. Quiet, peaceful, and no hurry. I can enjoy my tea and think about the day.
Now, viewers, we want to hear from you. What is your favorite part of your day? Is it breakfast, after work, learning English, and why?
Inviting Lab. Write your answer in the comments. My favorite part is the evening because I watch movies. Or, my favorite part is breakfast because I eat pancakes. Any answer is a good answer. Don't be shy.
We love reading your comments. It helps you practice your English writing. Remember, we are learning together.
Thank you so much for joining us. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe to Miss Juliet English Channel and ring the bell for more lessons.
We have new conversations every week. Next time, we'll talk about more interesting topics to help you in your English journey.
So keep practicing, keep smiling, and have a fantastic day. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.